how to unblock titles on Netflix account in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in your Netflix homepage, you can see here the profile picture here. Okay, so from example, I remove or unblock the titles of this Chad profile. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the edit button on the upper right side on your screen, and now you can see the pencil icon on this Chad profile. Okay, tap this, and now you can see here the viewing restriction. Okay, you can tap the viewing restriction. Here in viewing restriction, you can see the block titles. So I have two titles block. Okay, to unblock these two title, you'll have to do is tap this, and now you can see the title block here. So okay, to unblock this two title, you'll have to do is tap the edit pencil icon on the right side of this, and now you can see the X sign on this right side of this title. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this to remove or unblock this title. Okay, after you remove or unblock this title, tap the done button, and now go back, and now you can see I have no block title on my profile. So okay, tap the done button, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully unblocked titles on Netflix account in your mobile phone.